Okay, so last step, let's go ahead and draw circles at the middle of each mouse. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your blob filter and you're going to do something inside draw overlay. You need to have your clusters be accessible. So if your clusters aren't defined, here's a field of your class or an attribute of your class. You should define them there. And then what I want to do is loop over all my clusters. Loop over all clusters. And then you're going to draw an ellipse at the center of every cluster. So let me tell you how to draw an ellipse if you're not sure. The p-applet is called window. So the command is going to be window.ellipse. And then you give it the x and y coordinates. And you give it the size. And let's do a size of 10 by 10. You might also want to make them a color. So let's do window.fill 25500. So this is going to fill red. And then draw an ellipse. If you're going to try and run it from the pipeline, then what you need to do is you actually need to run the draw overlay from the pipeline. So just like we're looping over in process image and we're looping over all the filters to run process image, same thing in draw overlay. We'll loop over all the filters and we'll run every single filter's draw overlay. And we'll need to pass it all the required inputs. So we'll need to pass it window and the original image and the filtered image. All right. Okay, so you'll see when mine's working, it's putting red dots right at the center of the mice. But if I unpause it, you'll see that at least sometimes my points are in crazy places. So what this has revealed to me is that my code is not always working. And that's something that I'm going to have to investigate. I wonder if it has to do with these extra little specks. My guess is no. My guess is has to do with something else. Maybe how I'm initializing my points. Anyway, this will be, helpful for you to kind of see, is yours working or not? Okay, good luck.